For bolognese, brown the meat in hot oil. Make sure it gets nice and brown. Don't stir too much. You're going to then add mirepoix, onions and carrots first. Let them brown. Then add your seasonings. Add celery, garlic. Your seasonings include oregano, basil, thyme, bay leaf, parsley, nutmeg, black pepper. Add tomato paste. Pince or brown the tomato paste. Deglaze with red wine. Make sure you scrape up all of the drippings on the bottom of the pan. Then add some salt and your tomato products, starting with the heaviest ones first. Crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, and any other tomato that you have. Of course, we have paste already. Adjust any seasonings that need to be. We'll add stock. This is pork stock to thin down the sauce and allow the sauce to cook 45 minutes minimum up to a couple hours until you have the right consistency. Bolognese.